If you seek peace away from Nainital's crowds, Pangot is your perfect mountain destination. As you travel upward, the city noise fades, replaced by dense forests and winding roads. The journey itself is a beautiful experience, filled with cool breezes and breathtaking mountain views. Upon reaching Pangot, I immediately explored the quiet village and the nearby Kilbury forest trails. For nature and bird lovers, the early morning hours here are truly magical and unmissable. I spent hours simply watching the mountains, walking slowly, and soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. If you enjoy photography, keep your camera ready. Every turn offers a stunning, frame-worthy view. The true charm of Pangot is not a tourist spot, but its deep, soulful silence. Waking up to bird song and sitting amidst the mountains defines the slow, beautiful mountain life. Don't treat Pangot as a quick stop. Stay at least 2 days to fully enjoy it. Pack comfortable shoes and warm clothes, and prepare for some quality me time in nature. Add Pangot to your Uttarakhand list, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides.